Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Riaan, Cedras, and I am a staff member in the Department of Biodiversity and Conservation Biology. It is so nice to have you here with us today. We have something very important and special to talk to you about today. But before I do that, let's have a word from our HOD, Professor Stephen Boatwright.
Welcome to the Department of Biodiversity and Conservation Biology at the University of the Western Cape. I'm Professor Stephen Boatwright, the head of the department. We offer undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in biodiversity and conservation biology. In broad respects, we study biodiversity, and this is rooted in plant and animal sciences. We offer a vibrant program to those that are interested in nature in general. We are a dynamic department and contribute significantly to the research and teaching outputs of the Faculty of Natural Sciences at UWC. Our staff study various aspects of biodiversity, but our main thrusts in research are in marine biology, plant and animal ecophysiology, behavioral ecology, systematics, and evolutionary biology. If you have a love for nature, enjoy being outdoors, then our department is for you.
Our world is changing and our staff encourages students to be environmentally conscious. So we often try to do this by bringing our science into more public spaces. And this way we can encourage people to be more environmentally conscious. And that is the main purpose of our department, is trying to do the science that will make people more aware of their surroundings. Last year we saw the COVID-19 pandemic, and one of our researchers in the department, Professor A.J. Smith, was able to look at environmental data and bring it all together, and then he was able to show the rate of COVID spread in different seasons and how quickly it will spread. Apart from that, he also enjoys going into ocean diving, where he goes into kelp beds and where he does most of his research. With A.J. Smith's work, we also have benthic marine science studies, and we also have deep sea marine science studies. So we have a very large marine science component of studies within our department. On land, we also have scientists that focus on plants and why they occur in certain areas. They can be only found in South Africa, and then our scientists go and find out why they don't occur in any part of the world. If plants don't interest you, we also have evolutionary biologists that look at the genetics and how these animals are related to each other. If you want to look at other topics, we also have scientists that study the insect's behavior, or be it fish. And this is where we try to find out why these fish or insects behave the way they do. The University of the Western Cape is also home to the Cape Flats Nature Reserve, and our department and staff are directly involved in the maintenance and conserving the Cape Flats Nature Reserve, and hence our name, the Biodiversity and Conservation Biology. We have a whole series of topics that will interest anyone, from snakes all the way to landscape ecology. And landscape ecology is looking at how areas expand and what impact they have on the environment. So we at the Department of Biodiversity and Conservation Biology would welcome any new student in our department, and you can see we cover basically any science-related topic that you can find. So please feel free to contact us or contact the researchers directly. Apart from our research, we also have excellent teaching facilities. What you see behind me here are part of our teaching labs where students will interact with the lecturers on an open space like this. We also have first year labs where most of our practicals takes place. If we are allowed back on campus, then this is where you will be housed, and the staff on this floor are often very accommodating with those queries around labs that get used on the first floor. And they are mostly involved in the life sciences program, but some of them are also involved in other BCB topics. From all of us in the Department of Biodiversity and Conservation Biology, we wish you all the best with the new academic year, and if you have any queries, please feel free to email us or contact us. But we hope to have you in the BCB department, and we wish you all the best with your new academic year.